How to use markers. To begin, I added some videos to my timeline and I want to see how markers work. Position your playhead to where you want to add a marker, and then click on the marker button at the top of timeline. This will add a marker to that position. This is called timeline marker. Double-click on it. You can set a name and description for it, and set its color and make sure it is a comment marker, and click OK. Now move the playhead to another place. This time press the M key twice to create the marker and open it. For this marker I want to say that I want to add footage for empty space later. Also drag the duration to increase the length of the marker. Now our marker has length, and we can increase or decrease it with its handles. You can press Shift+M to go to the next marker or press Ctrl+Shift+M to go to previous marker. To delete markers, right-click on one of them and select Clear Selected Marker to clear that one or Clear Markers to clear all of them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.